now. Oh, she's so stoned again. Too much catnip? Wow, it is absolutely a monsoon outside. I'm in a Walmart parking lot and it's flooded. Like all around me, it's like a foot of water. And it's so windy. I went to open the side door and it blew right back closed. Like it's really, really windy out. Anyways, good test for the Kimberly. I just lit the fire and look at it roaring. It's roaring away real fast there. You can see how fast the flames are going. That's because of the air induction under the stove, which you guys probably remember from when I showed you the install video for the stove. It's sucking up the air from underneath the vehicle, and it's blowing pretty fierce right now because it's so windy outside. So the fire started up in about 5 seconds, and the kindling's going now, and then I'll put a Presto log in. It's not even that cold out, it's just that when it's raining and windy like this, you're just miserable. When I was just outside for a while, and so you come back soaking wet, and it's really nice to come back and be able to light a real fire in a Walmart parking lot. Also, a couple days ago I got the kitty litter box, the room downstairs. You know, Emmy's got her little hallway, which is under here and goes down there under the wood storage box, and there's a hole in the floor and it goes right down to the basement storage where her kitty litter box is. What I did is I installed a 12-volt motion sensor on the light, so now every time she pokes her head down the hole there to go and use the washroom, the light turns on and it stays on until she's done. She hops back up. You know, cats can see pretty well in the dark, but you know, it's just I think it's a little better. It's also easier for me when I go outside and open the door. The light automatically turns on. It's easy for me to clean it for her too, and yeah, it's because I usually do it at night when I'm off work. What's going on, baby? Oh yeah, you're so stoned. You're becoming an addict with that catnip. Hey? Yeah? Oh yes. You want some pets? Yeah, you do. Oh, she's really going. I'll show you guys. Open the door. It's a beautiful thing. Aha! This kindling will burn down in a couple of minutes, and then I'll plop a Presto log on top of the hot coals, and then I'll have heat for at least a couple of hours just from half a Presto log. Gotta love it.